Big news from the Dothan City Commission. A road plan that has been in the works for almost, if not 10 years, has been approved. Allison O'Connor has the story.
This morning, Dothan City Commission approved the $4 million road project for Honeysuckle Road. Now, WDHN did bring you this story back in June, but here is how the planning has been going, and here's what to expect in the coming future.
And nobody's going to be inconvenienced for at least a year while we're trying to buy property.
The Honeysuckle Road project has been in works for quite a few years, and now that the planning period is almost complete, the city has approved the next phases.
What we're trying to do and what we've had for several years is a plan to try to move forward to widen that section of road, and then there's another section of Honeysuckle that we want to take and realign.
The city plans to use the $4 million to purchase property on the south side of town to help widen and create a safer roadway along Honeysuckle.
And then down below, where we've got to widen the road on the south end and relocate it, we've actually got to acquire complete property through the new route, through some of it. So hopefully toward the end of 21, we'll be moving into a utility relocation and then construction phase.
The city also hopes this will cut down on the traffic amount and help keep the flow moving.
Honeysuckle will remain open for the foreseeable future, but hopefully with a little extra space. Covering local news first in Dothan, Allison O'Connor, WDHN News.